What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna create the gold chain wrap. So we're gonna use the gold Paracord 550 and the brown Paracord also 550. The length of a Paracord are down below this video in the video description. If you wanna learn how to create this Paracord 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, you have full tutorial in the top right corner here in the information cards. Also there you can find the tutorial for this awesome baby sanctified Paracord bracelet as well as many others. So here, as you can see, I insert the gold Paracord in the bracelet core, and we're gonna start with today's project. So I'm gonna zoom a bit that you can clearly see, and we're gonna proceed. So take the brown Paracord, make it around and to the side. So as you can see, with the right strand cord we created the loop around the bracelet core, these 4 strands, and now we're gonna take this gold Paracord and make it on top of it, of these 2 brown cords on the right side, and then around and from the back through the loop like so. And now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, and we're gonna continue. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So around, always leave some slack of Paracord, and then, as I said, around and to the side. Now with the left cord on top, and then around the left strand brown cord and from the back through the loop. As simple as that. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, secure it, and we're gonna continue. So from here, make it around and to the side, and now with the gold one on top of those 2 brown cords on the right side, around and from the back through the loop on the right, like so. With the left one on top, around and to the back, and now with the gold one on top, around and from the back side through the loop on the left. When you tie in the cords, pay attention to the structure for bracelet, so you'll have the even cord structure on the each end and in the middle as well, as I have here, as you can see. So here we are, the bracelet is finished. I hope that you like this project. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you are not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, I wish you all just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.